Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of ALS and writing system integration. I can mount, I can write, I can dismount. But the thing is, after I dismount, if I jump, there's an issue. See the I key issue? And also the mantling doesn't work. If I go here, it doesn't work properly. And there are various other issues. So the way you fix it is doing this. If you go to your writing system and go to your dismount function. So if you have dismount function here and go here, so a couple of things you have to add, but this is something you have to add. Let's see, in between detach from actor and set collision enabled, let's add this. It's called set collision profile name. So you can just drag it off capsule component of your writer and type in set collision profile name, right? Then you exactly put the profile name here, ALS underscore character, ALS uppercase underscore C uppercase, then character. So you need that part. Also, all the way at the end, let me show you. You can just cast to ALS. I think you can cast to any of these, but I'm going to do to any main character BP, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to call a function. You're going to call the on begin play function. All right, this is what you have to do. So in here, you can also cast to the other LS. You can also cast to base. You should be able to cast to base. So then you see if you can get on begin play. There you go. This is the one, right? So you can just do that. And so you're pretty much calling this when you dismount. This is very important, otherwise many things don't work. So if I do it now, I can mount properly, I can dismount. Now let's jump. See, the next jump works fine. So that means mantling will works as well. There you go. And everything should work the way it is. So that is very important. On part 1, mantling wasn't working after dismount, so this should fix the issue. Or let me know if there are any other issues. Thank you.